From the leaders in stone care solutions, a new dimension in stone restoration, NCL-2, Rapid Action Stone Crystallizer. The preferred choice of the top stone care techs in the industry, NCL-2 rapidly repolishes worn marble, limestone, and other calcium-containing natural stone surfaces while also increasing the resistance against scuffs and scratches. Compared to other crystallizers, NCL-2 is easier to use and produces faster and more dynamic results. After crystallization with NCL-2, your stone surfaces will be more durable and with a deep, naturally produced shine.